game you playing?
Dating it. I started to say they could drink. I forgot she just got something. Get rid of plastic cups. Only microwave. Get rid of plastic cups. I mean, your green cup's clean, but it's in under all my dishes later. Every time I open that, it feels cold. Every time you open it up. Just got pushed in.
But why you make them noises when you play the game for?
Here, eat some ice.
Why you, why you make the E noise?
Yeah, it is. She just swallowed it. Look, it's chunky ice. You'll like it. Chunky ice. Come get some ice. You don't want to drink no hot drink. Come get some ice. Stick your cup down in there. Here, so now do it.